Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's mission, creating a 3D monster truck in Tinkercad. So, let's gear up and drive a creativity to the next level. By the way, I am Shriyans, this is my sister Nandini.
Hi.
And we are the Mini Makers. So, let's start. I'm going to start this project by changing the name from Brave Bombolilo to Monster Truck Project. Let's start doing that. Now, we are going to make the wheels. So, I'm going to take this cylinder. I'm going to increase its height. Then we are going to increase its size to 64, which is full. I'm going to set its height a bit, and then I'm going to take a transparent cube, decrease its length, and then take it up. And don't forget to decrease its height too. Make sure it doesn't go beyond the height of the cylinder. Now, I'm going to take out this duplicate and place it below, and make sure that this too doesn't go beyond its height. So, for the convenience, we are going to arrange its height. Now, we're going to select these both, make them solid, and then I'm going to take out this duplicate. We are going to take it to the other side. Now, as we know about hiding the object, we are going to do that. And I will select these both and group them. Now, I'm going to make them transparent. Then I'm going to click show all. Now, I'm going to select this transparent cube, and then take out the duplicate and change its angle to minus 22.5 degrees and take out multiple duplicates. Now, after doing this, by the way, Nandini, doesn't it look like a flower?
Yeah, you're right.
So now, I've selected it and grouped it. And then it's looking awesome, right?
It's looking amazing after grouping it.
Yeah, you're right. I'm going to change this angle to minus 90 degrees and change its color to black. I have made the wheels. And now, it's time to make the first base. So let's start doing that. Nandini, are you excited to do that?
Yeah, I'm very enthusiastic and excited.
So I have taken out this duplicate, clicked mirror and made it opposite horizontally. Now, as you can see, these both are a little bit down. So make sure it doesn't happen. So I'm going to take it a little bit up. Of course, not one, and both. Now, I'm going to maintain some distance, and then we are going to take a cylinder, change this angle to 90 degrees, now I'm going to merge it here and take it a little bit up. Now I've merged it, and now I've changed its color to white and taken out its another duplicate and merge it to the other side. make sure it is being seen on the other side. It's you don't have to worry about the other side. Now I'm gonna take a cylinder again. Then I'm gonna decrease its length and width. After doing that, as you can see, it looks like a rod, but it's small, isn't it, Nandini?
Yeah, you're right.
Now I'm gonna increase its length, and after doing this, I'm gonna make it light grey. And now I've selected it, but not drooped. So now I'm gonna make it a duplicate. And as you can see, Nandini, it doesn't make it, there's a little bit distance, isn't it, Nandini?
Yeah, there is.
Now I've increased this distance, and now I've taken a cube between these two. And now we have to take it up, and now I'm going to increase its length. As you can see, it is going beyond the distance of the wheel, so I'm going to increase its length and width. And now it doesn't look really cool, so make it a little bit more amazing. I'm going to increase its radius, and now I'm going to change its color to grey. And now we have made the first base. Now we are going to make the second base, which is, I think, the main part, isn't it, Nandini?
Yeah, it is.
Now I have taken a cube on this the cube below, and I am gonna increase its length and width, and make sure that its height it's a little bit increased, or it will not give the feeling of a real monster truck. So now I am gonna take this cube, make it a cuboid, and then take it a wedge, and now I am gonna place it here. I'm gonna go and click on mirror and make it opposite horizontally. Now it's in contact with it. So now we are going to increase its width. Make sure its width is aligned with the cuboid, or it will look a little bit weird, isn't it, Nandini?
Yeah, I agree.
So now we have selected it, and now we are going to take it up, and now we are going to take it to the left side, and then we will make sure there's contact with the upper cube. Now we have made this. Nandini, isn't it looking really cool?
Yeah, it's looking fabulous.
Yeah, thank you for praising me. I really appreciate that. Now I'm gonna take a transparent cube and then take it a little bit down, and make sure it's hollow, or it will be a problem. So I'm gonna make that sure, and make sure that there's a little bit surface at the edge. Now take it a little bit down a bit, and now make sure you only select the transparent one and the second cube. So I have done that, and now I have grouped it. Now Nandini, now it's giving the feeling of a truck, isn't it, Nandini?
Yeah, you're right.
Now I'm gonna do some settings so that it looks a little bit good. And now I'm gonna take the cylinder and place it here. You can also use the work plane tool as it is also really helpful in these things. Now I've shortened its width and length, and now I have placed it here. As you can see, it has come a little bit forward, and it looks like his eyes has popped out, isn't it, Nandini?
Yeah.
Now I've shortened it and made or colored it to white. Now I'm going to select this and increase its length. Make sure you don't do something wrong. Nandini, that became a little bit wrong, isn't it?
Yeah, I agree.
So I'm gonna make it again, and I'm gonna make sure it looks good. And Nandini, have you guessed what I am making?
Yeah, I've guessed it. It's a headlight.
Yeah, you're right. And now I'm gonna change its color to white. Take out duplicate and place it right beside it. Make sure there's some distance, and make sure that there's some distance between both the sets. Now, as you can see, there is extra. So delete that and take this one. Nandini, now isn't it looking really cool?
Yeah, it's looking amazing.
But you will notice that I have just done the first at the front, but I have not done at the back. So I'm gonna only take this one, take out this duplicate, and down. I'm gonna take it to the other side. So let's take it here. Now, as you can see, it's coming here, which doesn't look good. So I'm gonna decrease its length. Now, I have done that, and now I'm gonna take out its duplicate, and as we did in the front, we will make two sets. We have transported the headlight, and now we have made two sets. So I'm gonna set its width and length and its arrangement, and as we did there, we are going to make two sets with some distance in between, and do the same. And then I'm gonna change its color. These two at the end to maroon, and these two in a little bit closed to dark orange. Now we have done that. But Nandini, you will notice that we have not colored it or grouped it. So now we are going to select it and group it. Nandini, are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
As you can see, it has changed to whole gray. To avoid that, we are going to place multicolor. We have made the base. Now, as we have made this cool base, don't forget to save the project. And hey guys, thank you for joining with us today. If you like the journey in which we created a 3D monster truck, then hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. And if you want to keep inspirations flowing, then click and watch these 4 videos of Tinkercad. Keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.